You cannot possess me, for I belong to myself, but while we both wish it, I give you that which is mine to give. You cannot command me, for I am a free person, but I shall serve you in those ways you require, and the honeycomb will taste sweeter coming from my hand. I pledge to you that yours will be the name I cry aloud in the night, the eyes to which I smile in the morning. I pledge to you the first bite of my meat and the first drink from my cup. I pledge to you my living and dying, equally in your care. I pledge to tell no strangers our grievances. This is my wedding vow to you. This is a marriage of equals.